when I see the transformative projects you have championed, from the bold vision of semiconductor manufacturing to the strategic linkages across Brahmaputra River, I see lifelines of progress, bridges to prosperity, and pathways to a brighter future. And it is this vision of progress that we are eager to be part of. Therefore, it is with a great pride that I announce today the Adani Group's commitment to invest rupees 50,000 crores in Assam. Our investments will span across airports, aerocities, city gas distributions, transmissions, cement, and road projects. Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Chief Ministers, Assam is on a path to greatness, and at the Adani Group, we are honored to walk this path alongside you. This is our commitment, this is our vision, and this is the promise we make today to you, to Assam, and the future we'll build together.